Passive income apps make money online. Ever wondered how to turn your spare time into extra cash? Well, today's video is packed with money-making website secrets you won't want to miss. Stick around till the end. I've got live withdrawal proof that'll blow your mind. Spoiler alert, it's like hitting the jackpot in the Rolex market. These apps have Trustpilot ratings over 4.5 stars, so you know they're the real deal. Ready to maximize your earnings? Let's get started. Kicking off with Pawns app, where you can rake in up to $96.60 a month just by sharing your internet. It's available on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Linux. Leave it running for 24 hours and you're looking at a sweet $96 in pure passive income. Plus, I've got a live withdrawal proof coming your way, showcasing how I pocketed $57.60. With just a $5 withdrawal minimum and various payout options, it's a money-making no-brainer. Check the link in the description for Pawns app and start cashing in. Now, onto the second cash cow, honeygain.com. Share your unused internet bandwidth and earn over $180 a month. With a 4.5-star Trustpilot rating and a $5 sign-up bonus using my link, this one's a winner. Don't forget to activate the 10% bonus by registering in JumpTask. Withdraw at $20 to your PayPal or JumpTask account through your crypto wallet. Hit the second link in the description for honeygain.com and start making that passive income. Number 3 in our lineup is Repocket. Get paid for sharing your unused internet data, and with 4.3 stars on Trustpilot, Repocket is a name you can trust. Earn up to $600 a month by sharing on 10 devices. You'll get a $5 sign-up bonus, and referring friends could earn you an extra $5. Install the app, let it run in the background, and watch your passive income grow. Check the link in the description for Repocket and start earning. Next up, we've got Sweatcoin. This free app pays you to walk. With a 4.6-star Trustpilot rating and over 120 million users, it's a global favorite. Earn points for every step and convert them into Sweatcoin cryptocurrency. Walk your way to cool gadgets or cash out. Combine all 4 apps, and you could be looking at a sweet $100 a day in passive income. Here in number 5, Media Rewards. Unlock cash with your daily life. Ever thought your daily media consumption could pad your wallet? Media Rewards turns that idea into reality. This app tunes into your surroundings, TV, radio, music, and ads, and rewards you for sharing your data. In return, you snag entries into monthly sweepstakes for PayPal cash. Picture this, free money just for going about your day. But that's not all. Media Rewards throws in personal survey invites, paying out in the form of free gift cards. Survey payouts hover around $5 to $10, and with a bit of luck, you'll find yourself qualifying after a month or 2. With sweepstakes ranging from $10 to a whopping $1,000, it's like having a financial lucky charm in your pocket. Ready to add a passive earning option to your repertoire? Give Media Rewards a spin and see dollars come your way. Coming up in number 6 is Earn app. Turn unused bandwidth into cash. Looking for a Honeygain alternative that's sleek, simple, and globally accessible? Enter Earn app. This app, much like Honeygain, rewards you for selling your unused bandwidth. Whether you're on Android, iOS, Windows, or Linux, Earn app has you covered. Here's the kicker. You can cash out at a mere $2.5, making it one of the lowest thresholds in the game. Earning around $0.32 per gigabyte shared if you're in the US, Earn app stands tall as one of the highest paying apps in the Honeygain League. It's user-friendly and packs a punch in the earning department. Sure, it might not rake in big bucks in every corner of the globe, but here's the kicker. Earn app sweetens the deal with referral bonuses. It's not just about sharing bandwidth. It's about building a passive income stream. Dive into EarnApp and see the dollars flow in. Tapestry joins the ranks of Honeygain and its counterparts, offering members passive income in exchange for their data. Simply download Tapestry, agree to share your location data, and start earning up to $25 per month as the app shares this data with advertisers. Similar to Honeygain, Tapestry is available in numerous countries, with North America and Europe presenting the highest income opportunities. Cash out your earnings with Stripe after reaching $10, ensuring you're making tangible money with this application. If you're looking to diversify your passive income sources, these alternatives to Honeygain offer various earning opportunities. Whether you're selling your internet data, sharing your browsing habits, or contributing location data, these apps provide additional avenues to boost your earnings effortlessly. Try them out and see which one fits seamlessly into your passive income strategy. Happy earning! Packet Stream. Another player in the passive income game is Packet Stream. This app operates similarly to Honeygain by paying you for selling your internet and acting as a node in its VPN network. You'll be earning $0.10 for every gigabyte of data you sell, mirroring Honeygain's $1 per 10 gigabyte rate. Packet Stream is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it a versatile choice. However, keep in mind that your earnings may vary based on your location. If you're in a major city, you're likely to rake in more than if you're in a small town or the countryside. Packet Stream has a convenient PayPal payout system, requiring a minimum of $5 per cashing out. If you're all about getting paid for your data, Reclaim is a must-try app. This platform rewards you with passive income for sharing your data with brands, allowing them to tailor advertisements specifically for you. Cash out your earnings with free gift cards, crypto rewards, or bank deposits. The best part? You only need $1 to cash out. Reclaim also offers additional earning opportunities through online surveys and referral bonuses, making it a close cousin to Honeygain in terms of getting paid for your data. Savvy Connect. Savvy Connect, brought to you by Survey Savvy, is another reliable Honeygain alternative. This market research app pays you $5 for installing its software on your devices, helping them gather data on your web browsing habits. You can install Savvy Connect on multiple devices, earning up to $15 per month. It's a straightforward way to make almost $200 per year in passive income. The payout method is via check, and while it's only available in the United States, it's an excellent option for beginners looking to make money online. Ready to boost your bank account with these incredible money-making apps? Hit those links in the description to get started. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Profitability Plus, and turn on notifications for more expertly catchy money-making tips. Don't miss out on the financial gains. Your future self will thank you. That's a wrap for today's Profitability Plus video. Remember, the key to financial success is right at your fingertips. Stay profitable, stay savvy, and I'll catch you in the next one.